Hello everybody, this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to change your visual acuity Snellen scores into visual acuity Logmar scores if you've recorded it in a similar format that you see here. There is a way to change visual acuity Snellen scores into Logmar scores if you've recorded your numerator and denominator into two different columns, but if you have recorded it kind of in this format, there is another way to do it, slightly more esoteric but easy. So, the one problem with recording data like this is that Excel does not recognize this number as a value. So we have to get Excel to recognize this number as a value or an equation. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and hit equals, quotation mark equals, and then select your first data point, enter, select that and drag that down for all of your values. All right. Now, all that this is word data. So Excel still isn't recognizing this as a value, it's just recognizing that this is what's written in the box. So to get it to recognize it as a value, you want to grab all of that, hit Control Copy. In the same column, right click, and we want to go to Paste Values, just this button. So now we're almost there, it's almost recognizing this as an equation. To get it to recognize it as an equation, you want to hit Control F, hit Replace, and put an equal sign in both boxes, then hit Replace All. So now Excel will recognize all of these numbers as values, which is what we wanted. So in the column that you want it to record as Logmar data, go ahead and write equals -1 times log base 10, and then your first data point. Enter, and drag that down for all of your values. So now you should have your Logmar versions of your Snellen scores. Some exceptions here are if you've recorded your Snellen score as, let's say, 2440 minus or plus or -1 + 1, whatever you chose to record it as, it might not recognize that. So you will have to just hit Control Find and delete for any plus or minus data that you have for it to record in this fashion. Additionally, if you have hand motion, counting fingers, or no light perception as one of your data points, of course, Excel will not recognize that as a value, and you'll just have to hit Control Find and Replace with the values. So hand motion would be 3, and so on and so forth. Alright, so that's it for my tutorial. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.